What's too painful to remember? We simply choose to forget. So it's the laughter we will remember. Whenever we'll remember.
Pero hindi nagpapapansin. Sure ako, ikaw ay isang gate crusher. Kilala kita, oo pero hindi ako mag-iingay. Grabe ang lakas ng connection ko sa'yo Sa dinami-dami ng tao na to, talagang, ikaw talaga ang nakita ko. Kaano-ano mo si MVP? Ay, huwag mo na sabihin, hula na lang kita. Happy ko talaga yung manghula
Warm welcome to all of you. I would like first to thank all of you for being here tonight, for taking the trouble to travel all the way to Malaraya and spend the evening here. Your presence gives me priceless pleasure. My thanks also go to the artists.